Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change Facebook page name. What you need to do, first just go to Facebook and log in your account and then click the page that you want to change the name. When you are in the page, here in the left side, just scroll down and you see here edit page info. Click here and then name. Just type here the new name that you want to change, and that it will take about 24 to 48 hours that Facebook will approve your request. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed yet. Thank you and see you.